Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a multiple page PDF file using Photoshop. I have no idea what is your case to create a multiple page PDF file, but in my case I'm going to create this to apply my CV to a job. So first of all you have to do is open the Photoshop, go to file and automate, then PDF presentation. Then click browse, find out the pictures on your gallery which you want to convert as PDF.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Import all pictures with the help of Control. You can rearrange your images here how it want to be listed. Then click save. Then click save. Click save PDF now. Now you're done.